The Tamil Nadu government must revoke the order appointing BJP State Vice President P. Kanagasababadi as syndicate member of the Bardiyar University, Coimbatore, insists MLA N. Karthik. The DMK Coimbatore East District in charge MLA N. Karthik insisted on this and said, in an announcement issued by the Bardiyar University, Coimbatore on September 5th, it is said that P. Kanagasababadi has been appointed as the syndicate member of the Bardiyar University for 3 years by the Tamil Nadu governor. P. Kanagasababadi, who has been appointed as the syndicate member of the Bardiyar University by the Tamil Nadu governor, is the state vice president of the BJP. It is a norm that university syndicate members must be a person non-allied to an party and excel in education. However, the appointment of a person who is in the position of a vice president in the BJP as a syndicate member of a university indicated that the interference of the central government has increased in higher education, and this is yet another example of the measures to saffronize higher education. The appointment of a person belonging to a political party as the syndicate member of a university is a bad example. This is almost a stage that has been set in the education department for the person to spread his political party's ideologies. Those who respect and want the democratic values will wish for an education that can create students who recognize secular pluralism. However, the recent happenings in the education department of Tamil Nadu make us understand that providing such an education is not the primary focus. On behalf of the East City District DMK condemned that action of a violation by the central government in the Bardiyar University, which has only added strength to the saffronization of education. The Tamil Nadu government has maintained grave silence with regard to higher education department appointments. This inactive AIADMK government bows to the BJP government. They must not permit the central government to override their right and authority and must not permit the saffronization of education. The ruling AIADMK The ruling AIADMK cannot function freely and independently and is a weak government. As a result, the central government has been realizing all of its wishes through the governor of Tamil Nadu, and the appointment of a BJP-based syndicate member is an example of this. By permitting such appointments, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy has led Tamil Nadu to pawn the rights that the state had to the central government. Hence, the appointment of Kanagasababadi as the syndicate member must be reconsidered and revoked by the governor, he insisted. It is to be noted that P. Kanagasababadi was also a syndicate member previous to this tenure, and his recent appointment as state vice president of BJP has caused a storm in academic and political circles.